I've had enough.
Even though it was only halfway through the challenge, Ian was ready to call it quits.
Oh man, I can't wait to go home. All I want to do is go home. I'm just fed up.
Lenny will have to find a way to rekindle their friendship because they can leave at any point, and if Ian goes home, they both lose everything. Gentlemen!
Morning, Jimmy!
Morning! I have good news for the both of you. Our Day 60 offer, something that will help bring you back together. Hey, Chandler! Bring it on in!
Here we come.